Ribbit, ribbit.
Leave me alone, please.
Oh, excuse me, I didn't mean to make you jump, Feathers. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. Sort of runs in the family, or jumps in the family if you prefer.
What do you want?
Want?
Okay, get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
Stay.
There! I hope you're happy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Do you mind if I hop off and come back home? Have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? I mean, look at me. Yeah. See, connect the dots. When it comes to ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than a one-armed bullfrog. Excuse me. Had a human in my throat. Sorry. You know what your problem is? You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You got down in the mouth. Yeah, okay. Well, I understand how you feel, but you can't let it depress you. You gotta remember, I started out as just a blob of jelly and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince, dressed in frog clothing, and one day a beautiful princess will come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. Then I think about it and I say, nah, be real. Who is going to French a frog? Do you know what our problem is?
No.
Our image is not in vogue. That's all. Just a matter of taste. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. And those who sport this season's look will fall flat on their... Ask your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing. Just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya, warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone's gonna fall for you. Though I'm Tyrannosaurus Rexy, some will find me sexy in my way. Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you'll have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all.
Do you really believe that?
Of course I do. If I didn't, I might as well jack it all in and donate my legs to gastronomic research. I'm telling you, Feathers, you got to look on the sunny side, the lily pad. The ugliest of creatures have a few redeeming features, so why not let your better points shine forth?
A mouth that runs from east to west is bound to make you look depressed. It's better if the corners both point north.
That's the idea. So don't go into hiding. There's no need for disguise. Even some potatoes have got nice eyes. I'm telling you, Feathers, out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya.
Warts and all.
And you're talking my language.
Out there. small.
It's true, Justin. Whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate. Oh, it takes some time to find them when you do have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Tell him, kids. Trust me, I'm a classic in my way. Oh, if they take some time to find them, when till you have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate.
Soon I'll be roosting.
Oh, it may take some time to find them when you do have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Warts and all. Warts and all.
Your face should hurt. You're smiling so hard.
Well, fellas, gotta hop. I'll be seeing ya. Now, remember, one day it will be us who are the flavor of the month. What am I saying?
Goodbye. And if you ever find yourself near the junkyard, please do drop in. I'd love for you to meet my family.
Well, I hope you find them. Now, stay cheerful and stay warm.